Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to access Microsoft Planner from Microsoft Teams. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Accessing Microsoft Planner from Microsoft Teams is very simple and allows you to manage your tasks directly within your Teams workspace. Alright, so here I am already inside the Microsoft Teams, and if you haven't already, just go to the apps option since I have already added the Microsoft Planner from this Microsoft Teams. If you haven't created your team yet, just click on the create a new team, and from there you can add the Microsoft Teams in that specific channel. But if you wanted to directly go to the app section, click this app, and from here you might want to just type in Microsoft Planner. If you can find it here, press Control plus F to find Planner if you can. Right, so there you go. All you have to do now is very easy. Select the Microsoft Planner and you would be able to open the Microsoft Planner from the Microsoft Teams. You can use it with others, all right? You can search for a channel if you wanted. And of course, you can click the use on your own. If you click this button, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the Planner dashboard itself. Now click on the left side panel of the interface and you would be able to reach the Planner Hub, wherein just click this. You should be able to access all the tasks within the Microsoft Planner inside the Microsoft Teams. All right, and again, from here you can add tasks if you want, because Planner integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft Teams, Outlook, and other Microsoft 365 apps for a more streamlined workflow. Now here, team members can collaborate on tasks. You can put an assignee, update the progress, add comments if they want. They can receive the notifications within the team, show it on card, to keep everyone updated on deadlines or changes here in this platform. And by adding Planner to Teams, you can keep all your task management in one place without switching between apps. All right, it's a very easy thing to do. But make sure before you do that, that you have the access level. If you are just a part of the contributor, you might want to seek some privileges from the administrator, or if you're working with your client, you might want to ask your client about this specific privileges so you can choose the access and give it and open the Microsoft Planner to the Microsoft team, because from there you might want to make sure that you can always manage your tasks directly within your team's workspace. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.